Okay, y'all, have you heard about the Microsoft 365 Copilot? This is digital transformation on steroids. This new tool combines language models with Microsoft Graph connectors and 365 apps to help you be more productive and creative. And get this, it can work with you and even chat with you in a new experience that is called Business Chat. So, Business Chat will be accessed from Microsoft365.com, Bing, and Teams. It turns data into knowledge with Copilot. So in this video, I'm going to recap Microsoft announcement on March 16th. Keep watching. It is amazing. On March 16th, Microsoft CEO talked about how we are entering a new era of computing where computers and humans actually work together. And he said artificial intelligence have evolved from autopilot to copilot. And business chat can help us be more productive and get rid of boring tasks. But he also said we need to use it responsibly, follow the social, cultural, and legal norms. And the Copilot technology doesn't replace the human aspect because the responses may not always be right. So use it as your draft. And don't worry about security, compliance, privacy, and responsible AI because Microsoft has gotten it covered and it is not an afterthought. Now, the best part is about Copilot, you can use natural language prompts, just like we've seen with OpenAI, to help you summarize, reasoning, reviewing, and modifying, and even analyzing your data in any of the Microsoft 365 apps. I like when they said it turns data into knowledge in minutes, and you're driving it. The next speaker talked about Copilot is a tool that helps you rediscover the soul of work. The feeling of fulfillment we get from doing meaningful work. He said work should be more than just a way to pay our bills. It should also be something that feeds our soul, bringing your passionate attitude to your work. Let's be real. Work can often feel like a drag and drain our time and our creativity, and it may show in the quality of our work. We've all been there. They got my attention, and I hope they got yours. In this next section, I actually titled it, the new way to interact with software with Copilot. So during their personal example of the Microsoft 365 Copilot, it demonstrates how people work with software rather than the other way around. So in the clip that I'm going to show you, Copilot uses natural language to create a graduation party invitation in Outlook. It created a slideshow in PowerPoint, a party planning to-do list, and a personal speech in Word. So throughout the process, you, the user, remains control of what deciding whether to keep their suggestion, you can modify it, or just get rid of the suggestion that was provided by Copilot. And I like when the speaker had said, the ultimate goal is to help users unlock the other 90% of what an apps can do, because most people only use about 10% of the features. And you can do the same with your work details too. Are you excited about the new era of the way we use computers to get the job done? It cuts down time significantly, searching the content, researching it so we can prepare our first draft. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Now, let me show you more from the announcement. So here is an example how Copilot is used with Microsoft Teams. You can follow a meeting. You can get a recap in Microsoft Teams of the content that was shared, the notes, and the task. With natural language prompts, you can ask for more information like the solutions discussed in the meeting based on the transcript. You can also summarize the decisions during a live meeting. You ask for attendees' feeling check about a topic or a discussion based on the comments in the chat. And also request unresolved questions again during the live meeting or even afterwards. They also gave examples of an in your channel chat. You know, we get so many of these chats, right? You can prompt Copilot to summarize your missed chats or even from a specific customer or a person. That is amazing. And I can't wait for this to roll out. Microsoft also showed examples with the loop component. It allows you and the team members to, chat and get content in real time. And Copilot generate data for you and your team members. Sales Viva, for an example, a prospect requests your sales data for a product. You can ask Copilot to compare your sales with a competitor and then prepare your draft proposal in Outlook. You revise it, you send it. Once the customer accepts the deal, it updates CRM automatically. That's powerful. Then they gave examples with PowerAutomate. This was what really excited me. So you can actually automate a workflow in minutes. You can ask Copilot what you want it to do and what solution that you want, and it provides you a workflow. So there you have it. I've always talked about digital transformation, out with the old technology, replacing it with better, efficient tools, system, and processes. Well, this digital transformation is on steroids. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for Microsoft more tricks, tips, and news. Now, go work your magic.